Today you are starting on page 8 of the Learning Journal. We are reviewing what point of view is and the different types of point of view a story can be written in. You will review the notes over first and third person point of view on page 8 and on page 9. Be sure to click on the images to learn more about point of view. At the end of the notes for point of view, you will answer the reflection questions. Be sure to delete the ellipses, which are the 3 dots, and complete the sentence stems provided. Be sure to write in at least 2 sentences. Next, you will review the characterization notes, and then click on the link to learn more about it. Finally, you will review the notes over theme and click on the link to learn more about it. Lastly, on the right side of page 12, you will read the short story and then answer the questions about point of view, characterization, and theme. Insert the point of view the story is written in the text box provided. Circle your answer choice asking about the character traits, and complete the sentence stem asking about the theme of the story. We will go over the answers tomorrow.